So as an introduction to the different elements, we're going to do the metal form. Now, metal, if you like, think about metal tools, they take a long time to make. There's lots of hard work, lots of forging, lots of sharpening. But the result of a metal tool, having put all that work into it, is that it's not just sharp, but it works easily. You know, if you've really worked at getting your knife sharp, it's much easier to use. So, in a way, metal is hugely about how to do something that's very precise, very accurate, very well targeted. To put it fairly simply, if I hit Will on the top of the head as hard as I could with a good knife hand, there is a possibility I might crack his skull. But if I use 1/10 of that force, but hit him in the side of the neck here, just at that line between where the neck joins the body, he will drop like a sack off. Okay? And I can hit him much, much less hard. And this is the thing to always bear in mind when it comes to metal, is that, if you like, accuracy is better than power. Because you can use less force. You could use a blunt tool and really have to work at it, or you can use a sharp one. We're going to be using a sharp one, and that's what you need to know about metal.